Ever wondered if your money is just floating in some digital void when you invest with Stashaway? Like, are they actually buying and selling stuff, or is it all just numbers on a screen? You're not alone. The question of whether Stashaway is a broker pops up a lot, and frankly, it's a good one. After all, when you entrust your hard-earned cash, you want to know exactly where it's going and how it's being handled. Let's break down the confusion. Stashaway, at its core, is a digital wealth management platform, often called a robo-advisor. They utilize algorithms and sophisticated models to build and manage your investment portfolios. This means they automate the process of selecting and allocating your assets based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Now, here's where the broker question comes in. Stashaway isn't a traditional broker in the sense that they don't directly execute individual trades for you in real time, like a stockbroker on a trading floor. Instead, they operate through partnerships with licensed brokers. They leverage these partnerships to execute the actual buying and selling of the underlying assets in your portfolio, primarily exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Think of it like this: Stashaway designs the investment strategy, and their broker partners handle the logistics of making those trades happen. This distinction is important. It means Stashaway focuses on the portfolio management and asset allocation, leaving the trade execution to specialized entities. This allows them to focus on what they do best, creating and optimizing investment strategies. They're not just picking stocks based on hunches, they're using data-driven algorithms to create diversified portfolios designed to meet your financial goals. So, why not just call them a broker? Well, the term broker traditionally implies a more hands-on, transactional role. They provide direct access to markets and execute specific trades on your behalf. Stashaway's role is more strategic, focusing on long-term wealth building through automated portfolio management. They provide a service that goes beyond simple trade execution. Furthermore, Stashaway is regulated, which adds another layer of security and transparency. They operate within the regulatory frameworks of the jurisdictions they serve, ensuring they adhere to stringent financial standards. This means your investments are held in custody by regulated brokers and custodians, adding another level of protection. Ultimately, understanding Stashaway's role as a robo-advisor, rather than a traditional broker, is key. They utilize broker partnerships to execute trades, allowing them to focus on their core expertise, building and managing your investment portfolio. This approach provides a streamlined and automated investment experience designed to help you achieve your financial goals without needing to be a trading expert. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.